What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. And if you got leather in your car, today we're going to give you a full tutorial on how to care, maintain, and enhance your leather on any type of vehicle. So whether you have a BMW, a Mercedes, a Ford, a Jeep, any type of vehicle, this is going to be a great video to show you how to maintain and care for your leather. And we're going to show you how to do that with some Masterson's Car Care leather cleaning and conditioning products, as well as some air fresheners. So this is a great video for you guys to tune in today. If you guys like videos like this, give them a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. We're here to give you all of our detailing tips and tricks with years of industry experience so you get the best results. So inside the shop today, we got this SLS Mercedes, the coolest doors you can ever have on a car. And I'm going to show you guys how to care for this beautiful leather on the inside of this Mercedes. So this Mercedes actually has a two-tone leather, and this car has some age on it. So what we're gonna do is clean and condition that leather so it stays looking good for years. Leather in a vehicle will stay looking good for years if you take care of it. If you have a high quality vehicle like this, luxury vehicle, or any vehicle with leather, if you take care of it, it's gonna take care of you. So we're gonna show you all the products that you need to get it done. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the leather with our leather cleaner. This is our pH balanced leather cleaner, safe for all leathers, all colors, all feels. Also works on suede and Alcantara, great product. And then we're gonna condition it with our Masterson's leather conditioner. This is a vitamin E and aloe infused leather conditioner that softens leather and protects the leather. It gives nourishment back to the leather. Now, why do you want to care for your leather? It's important to care for your leather because leather was a natural skin on a being. It's the hide of the beast. So we need to take care of that leather so it stays soft and supple, because once it's taken off the animal, it's gonna dry out, and the natural oils inside of the leather is gonna just dissipate and evaporate. And what happens is the leather becomes hard and then can start cracking. So you need to put vitamin E and aloe and conditioner back into that leather so it absorbs that oils, it absorbs that nourishment, and it revives the leather and keeps it soft and flexible. So I got a setup of products right here, and let's go ahead and start cleaning this leather, guys. So come in close, guys. I'll show you guys how to clean this. I have our leather cleaner right here. This is a concentrated formula, and I have it diluted down 6:1 in one of our product containers with a sprayer. So it has a dilution ratio on. These are available on our website, and I was able to dilute this down to about 6:1. So I put it about a little bit here past the 8:1 on this bottle. Now that's because this leather isn't terribly dirty, and I don't want to affect any coloring on the leather. And to clean the leather today, we're also going to use a nice premium horsehair brush, and this is going to clean and revive the leather. So let's take our leather conditioner, pH balance. Let's turn our sprayer on. And I'm just going to go ahead and start at the top and then work my way down. I'm just going to spray it on the leather. Okay, and then I'm going to start cleaning the leather gently with the brush. I don't need to go hard. I'm just letting the bristles do the job, and I'm letting the cleaner do the job. And why did I start at the top? Because the cleaner is going to drip down onto the seat, and that's where I want to go ahead and have the brush when it gets there. Great. Now that I have this all clean, I'm going to grab a microfiber towel. This is a yellow towel, so we can see if any dye is coming off from the leather. No dye. Just dirt on the dirt that's coming off. No dye, just dirt. It's looking really good. No dye, just dirt. With red leather, you want to be a little bit more sensitive. The colored leathers, you know, because they have more dye in them. And you don't want to affect that dye. But our leather cleaner is pH balanced, and it never affects the dye. It makes it look original right now. I really like the look of that. There we go. Now I'm going to move down to the bottom of the seat and start cleaning that surface. So let's take our leather cleaner again, just spray it on the bottom of the seat, and then take the horsehair brush, and we're just gently scrubbing. We're letting the brush do the work. And then we're gonna take our towel again and just take away all the product. And the product is taking away the dirt. The product lifted the dirt from the surface, and then it pulled up all of the oils and body oils on there, usually stains from jeans. This towel was brand new when we started using it, and you see that we are pulling off dirt off this leather. So even this leather, even though this leather is well maintained, it is still in need of a little bit of cleaning. Okay, now look at that surface. The leather is just dry. We're gonna bring a light in here for you guys so you can see even more. There we go. The leather is dry and it is just perfectly clean, right? There's no extra oils on it. There's no body oils, just nothing on the leather, okay? And that's what we want. We want the leather clean. Like if we can get all of the dirt and any type of staining from clothes off, then that means we did a good job cleaning the leather. And you want to clean the leather because before you put leather conditioner on, it needs to have all that dirt removed so that it absorbs good into the surface. We're just getting you great lighting here because we want to show you guys how the leather works, so we're moving stuff around. So now that I have the leather surface cleaned, I'm gonna put my towel down on the floor mat. We're gonna use the leather conditioner. Now, the leather conditioner, I like using this leather conditioner because it's cream. So open up the top, see how it's a cream? Easy to place on the applicator pad, and it smells like real leather. Like you smell this, it has a great leather scent. And here at Masterson's, we actually get an OEM style scent like the kind used in Mercedes-Benz when they manufacture the leather. So this is gonna make this vehicle smell like leather. I wanted to make this product smell like a classic Mercedes when we designed this product. And I really think we nailed the scent. And to put it inside a Mercedes like this, it just really makes it cool. It's gonna smell good and it's gonna enhance the leather. So I like to take a good amount. If you have perforated leather with holes, you wanna rub it in. But what I wanna do is just take enough and start spreading it on the seat, okay? And I wanna take a nice amount so that I can spread over the whole surface of the seat, okay? It's just like lotion. So let's rub the lotion into the leather. And you see it absorbing, okay? And I like to make sure it gets in all of the cracks and all of the tight areas, so we're massaging the product into the leather. I'm gonna do the top half so you guys can see like what it looks like on the bottom half. And we can like undo this. This is what I like about this right here. There we go. Let's take this off and give us a little bit more room there. Okay, you see how this leather is just absorbing the conditioner. I don't know if these seats have ever been conditioned, and this car has some age on it, and you want to make sure that leather doesn't get too far dry, because if it gets too dry, that leather's never going to come back. So one of the things I like to do with leather is just make sure that they're always conditioned. If you can, condition your leather every 6 months to keep it looking good. That way your leather is hydrated and just protected and moisturized. It's like you wouldn't want to not put lotion on your skin, go 6 months without lotion. That would just be horrible, okay? Okay, I'm gonna let that sink into the leather for a few minutes, okay? And as you can see already, look at the leather, it's looking moisturized compared to the bottom down here. The bottom leather doesn't look bad, but it does look dry. It does look too dry, not OEM dry, I mean like dry. And you could just tell it needs to be enriched. It needs to be moisturized, okay? So I'm gonna let that sink in, and then I'm gonna take some more leather conditioner. Look how just that one little bit did all that piece. If you know how to use the product right, or if you have great products, you can make a little bit of product go a really long way. So Let's massage it into this seat. Look at how it just goes in. It just absorbs into the leather. This is a vitamin E and aloe formula. And the vitamin E enriches and nourishes and gives the oil back to the leather. But then it also just has fast absorbent rate because it's just natural product. We're using natural conditioners, natural oils. And then we also have some protectant in there that gives a really great level of protection against UV solar rays. Okay. There we go. So now I got the whole surface covered with the leather conditioner. I can just take my secondary towel and I'm just going to start at the top and just give it a light buff. And what I'm doing is I'm just removing any excess leather conditioner from the surface. And look, I'm really removing very little. There's really no product that I'm removing. I'm just buffing it to give it a nice even sheen because the seat absorbed all the product. All the conditioner just got absorbed into the seat. Okay, now already, this is some real feel right here because I'm doing this. The seat feels softer, significantly softer than the other side. And the other side, they're starting to get some ripples from wear over on the other side. And this will help stop that. It will help slow it down. As when you sit on leather and you're getting in and out, there gets like these little lines that start appearing on the leather. And that's because the leather, it's stretching and you need to put nourishment back into that. Okay, guys? So if you want your leather to stay looking good on any car, you got to keep conditioning it. Cleaning and conditioning is like a routine thing that you should be doing. Okay, already guys, look at that, right? Look at how great that looks. Looks original, it looks clean, it looks nourished, it looks rich, right? That's really cool. So that's why if you guys are looking for a leather conditioner, dude, this is what you need for your vehicle, this leather conditioner and this leather cleaning combo, right? You get these two, you use them on your leather, it's gonna keep your leather looking clean. And even on the belt strap, like look right here, there's like some little scratch. If we put on the leather conditioner on this belt strap, it minimized that scratch. There was like a scratch right here that, from someone grabbing it or a nail, somebody's nail hitting it. This minimized that and made it look new, made it look like fresh again. So now that we have all the leather clean, I'm gonna give you one last tip that I like to use for leather, and that's the leather air freshener. Okay, now that we got our leather cleaned and conditioned, we're now ready to finish this interior detail and get this car on the road. But if you have leather and you wanna just enrich the car with leather scent, you can pick up our leather scented air freshener. This is a cool trick that I like to use because new cars have this like rich leather scent, like it just smells amazing, right? This car, I bet when it was brand new, smelled amazing. This takes that amazing smell and puts it back in the car. So come around on this side. I'm gonna show you where I spray it, guys. Just come over here. I'm gonna spray it right down here in the carpeted area. Okay, I'm just gonna take the air freshener and just like 1, 2, 3 sprays. That's it. And already, let me get in here. Yeah, smells fresh. It just smells good. This is a great way to get any car to smell great with the leather scented air freshener. So if you guys have leather in your car, like you have a Range Rover, a high-end vehicle, any type of vehicle with leather, go out and go to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get some of our products. Let's show you guys one more time. Our leather conditioner. You can also get our leather cleaner, our leather air freshener, all these products to maintain and keep your leather looking great. So I'm Greg from Mastersons. Check out our website, mastersonswax.com. If you guys like videos like this and you want to see more tutorials, click that like button, click that subscribe button, and let's show you guys more tips and tricks on how to clean cars. I've been detailing cars for over 20 years and I want you guys to be a professional too at home. So we'll see you guys next time. Mastersons Car Care. Have fun, stay clean, keep on detailing.